Okay, everybody, 6e. Now you're going to have to forgive me for this one because I'm going to have to kind of squish this in a little bit here, do this a little bit quicker than normal here. I've got three different terms, three different binomial denominators. There's no common factors there. There's nothing that I can do to simplify that. So basically I got to multiply those denominators together. So that has got to be 2x minus 3, 3x minus 2 times 4x minus 1. Okay? Now, I'm going to do this a little bit quickly, basically for the lack of space here. What is going to happen here is this first term is missing 3x minus 2 and 4x minus 1 as factors. So when I multiply those together, 3x times 4x is 12x times the 2 that's already there is going to be 24x squared. Then it'll be 3x times negative 1, so negative 3x minus 8x. Okay, so negative 11x times 2, negative 22x. And then that'll be negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2 times 2 is positive 4. Plus, that's this plus right here. Now moving on to the second term, it is missing 2x minus 3 and 4x minus 1. So I'm going to multiply those together. So 2x times 4x is 8x squared times 3 is again 24x squared. Okay, I'm going to need a lot of room here. 2x times negative 1, 4x times negative 3, it's going to be negative 2, negative 12. So, okay, so negative 14 times 3 is going to be negative, what is that? That's going to be 42. And then this last one here, plus, okay, and again, that's that plus right there. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry, I forgot the last term there. So it's negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 times 3 is positive 9. Sorry, that was finishing off that term. Plus, that is now this addition sign. I'm going to multiply those two denominators together. So 2x times 3x is 6x times 4 is another 24x squared. It'll be 2x times negative 2, so negative 4, negative 3, 3, negative 9, so negative 4, negative 9, negative 13. Negative 13 times 4. Okay, well, 4 times 3, 12. Carry the 1. What did I say? 13 times 4. So 4 times 1. So it'll be minus 52x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is negative, positive 3 times 4 is positive 12. Okay, so that's that whole thing multiplied out here. Now our denominator will be 2x minus 3, 3x minus 2, 4x minus 1. And now we're going to group together the like terms here. And this shouldn't be too terribly difficult because it's just adding stuff together here. 24 and 24 and 24. Okay, well 24 and 24 is 48. And 24, oh, I'm having a mind blank here. 48, 24, 72. Yeah, I don't know why that didn't happen for me. Minus 22, minus 42, okay, is going to end up being minus 64. Minus 52 is going to end up being negative 116x, negative 116x. And then finally I've got 4 plus 9 plus 12. So 13 plus 12 is 25. Now, at this point right here, I notice that there's really nothing common between those three terms. It turns out this particular expression here is not factorable the way I would like it to be. So what we're going to do here is now just identify the non-permissible values. So I'm kind of giving you that information right now that that's not factorable here. And our non-permissible values end up being from this first expression, 3 over 2, from this second factor here, 2 over 3, and from this third factor here, 1 over 4.